Now I'll discuss about glycogen storage disease. Glycogen storage disease. First, you should know the type of the glycogen storage disease and the deficient enzyme. Glycogen storage disease type 0, and the enzyme deficiency is glycogen synthase, and symptom is hypoglycemia and early death. Next is glycogen storage disease type 1A or von Guericke disease. Enzyme is glucose 6 phosphatase. Glucose 6 phosphatase. What are the symptoms? Hepatomegaly, severe fasting hypoglycemia, growth failure, growth failure, growth failure, lactic acidosis, hyperuricemia, and hyperlipidemia. Next is glycogen storage disease type 1B, and the enzyme is endoplasmic reticulum glucose 6 phosphate transporter defect. Endoplasmic reticulum glucose 6 phosphate transporter defect, and symptom is same as von Guericke's disease. Third thing is glycogen storage disease type 2. It is also named as Pompey's disease. Here, the defective enzyme is lysosomal alpha 1,4,1,6 glucosidase, and it is termed as acid maltase. And here you can see muscle weakness, and death by age of 2 year. Glycogen storage disease type 3. It is due to defect in glycogen debranching enzyme. Here, glycogen debranching enzyme defect, and this is known as Cody's disease or Force disease. It is also termed as limit dextrinosis. Here we will find muscle weakness, fasting hypoglycemia, hepatomegaly, and growth retardation. Glycogen storage disease type 4. It is Anderson's disease, and due to defective glycogen branching enzyme, failure to thrive, hepatomegaly, and death at age of 5 years. Glycogen storage disease type 5 is McArdle's disease due to defect in the muscle glycogen phosphorylase. It will cause exercise induced cramp, mild exercise induced cramp, renal failure due to rhabdomyolysis and myoglobinuria, and second wind phenomenon can also happen. Type 6 or Hirsch disease. It is liver glycogen phosphorylase defect. It is generally benign, mild hypoglycemia and hepatomegaly. And type 7 is Thyroid disease. This is due to muscle phosphofructokinase defect. Here also exercise induced cramps and weakness can happen. Also there is growth retardation and hemolytic anemia. Thank you.